Hello everyone, my name is Patrick. Today I'm gonna talk about this. This is called IS-453S. It's a joint design by IEI and our sister company Qnap. This is an industrial ruggedized network attached storage unit that's built for industrial environment. So right now I'm gonna give you a quick tour of this little unit here. As you can see, the front is actually a cover that with the 4 thumb screws, you can actually open it up to reveal your space to install your hard drive or solid state drive. Yeah, again, this is a network attached storage unit. So you have 4 space to install your 2.5-inch drive. It's very easy. You just pull it out and plug back in, and there's 4 of them. You can run JBOD or any kind of RAID 1, RAID 3, RAID 5, and just cover it up, screw it back in, and you're done. So as you can tell, this is a very solid build. The front cover is made out of solid aluminum. And the whole chassis is also 1 block of aluminum that's extruded to dissipate the heat from the CPU and the storage device. And the back here, you see there's a lot of ports. You get your dual USB 3, dual gigabit LAN, HDMI, and 2 more USB 2.0. And there's a couple audio jack here, although it's not in a very good place to put your phone jack, but it's there. Also, there's a power input. There are just 2 power input here. You get your traditional 4-pin DIN connector for your DC 12 volt, as well as the terminal block that you could do 9 to 36 volt DC input. And ACC function that if you want to install this into a car, for example, if a police department want to install this NAS along with their camera, the vehicle camera, you could install this into the trunk, and then you will power up when the key of the vehicle is inserted or turned into the ACC mode. Okay, so here's a quick, walk around of this unit. So right now, we have, give you a quick difference between your traditional network attached storage and this industrial NAS. In your traditional NAS, they're sitting in a very comfortable environment, a server room or an office environment where anything it's around 20 degrees Celsius or 70 degrees Fahrenheit. But this unit is actually designed to withstand harsh environment, negative 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So it could be installed in a factory, any type of factory or oil, rig, or outdoor environment with some type of water canopy, of course. And again, this is a very solid build. Like I showed you before, this is a Fanless design. So if you have a solid state drive inserted, the whole unit here is actually no moving parts. So you kind of extend your longevity of this product on the field. Okay, so that's the hardware part. Now, I'm going to kind of quickly go over the software part, which is where the Qnap comes in. Qnap is actually our software sister company that creates network attached storage operating systems, and as well as a lot of applications, softwares that come with this NAS for free. So this unit is actually cross-platform file sharing. It's a file server. Any of your employee or user that uses Windows, Linux, or Mac, they could access the file through network to this file server. So it's cross-platform sharing. And also, if you have 2 of these, you can do disaster recovery by, there's a real-time remote management replication that you could duplicate, or copy between 2 network attached storages. And also this one comes with 4 free IP camera license. So there's a list of compatible IP cameras on Qnap website. You could do a quick search, Qnap IP camera compatible list on Google. You could find a bunch of lists, and it comes with 4. So what you can do is, besides your file sharing, you can use this as a security camera server. A lot of people want to buy your product that could do multitasking. So same with NAS, right? It's becoming more of a smart device. You can do a lot more things when you install this into the field. Okay. And another program that you can download for free is this free digital signage app. It's also again in Qnap app server. So what you could do is you could program your simple digital signage, movies or banners or PowerPoint, and then play this from your NAS into your display device. And so this is gonna give you a quick screenshot of the app that's available through Qnap App Center. Most of them are free, so if you want to enable multiple features for this NAS, you can add it. So you can do some of them. You can see here is like a music server, photo sharing server, video server, a lot of good application that you can download for free. So basically, you pay one hardware and you get a lot of feature out of on the software side. So that's a quick overview of this. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call at area code 909-595-2816. And also you could visit us at ierworld.com. So that's it. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.